Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to India. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to use a verified account on Wise. So fill in all your personal information and then your account is verified. If you don't have any idea how to do that, check the video that I created about how to verify your account on Wise. And then after that, we click right here on send. Then we search right here for India, there we go. And then we fill in right here 100 euros. Then what we're going to do, or what you can do, is change right here the method, how you want to pay. And you will find right here your fee in euros, so decide which one you want to use. Now bank transfer is the most cheapest one, so I click right here on bank transfer. Then what we can do right here is we can select right here the date to do the payment. So we can schedule this if you want to do that, but I want a directly order, so that is fine for now. And then what we're going to do is we select right here add recipient. Then we can search on Wise. So if you want to add someone on Wise, search right here for his tag, and then you will find it right here on Wise. You can also use the UPI ID. So if you want to do that to someone else, then fill in right here all the details from that person. And if we go back, I want to use the bank transfer. So we click on bank details, someone else, and then we fill in right here all the details for the person that we want to send money to. Then after that, we click on continue, then he will send you to the review page where you need to check all your details carefully. And then after that, do continue, and then he will send you right here to the pay page. Then after that, you send money from Wise to India, and this is exactly how this works. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.